All right, here's back for our second one because our time ran out. So
Okay, so Lip Plumping Collection, SPF RX Radiant Lips.
this was an add-on that I got.
And so these look like they are earth tones.
Yeah.
And so there's the plumping volumizer and then the color sticks.
I thought they'd be fine. They're fun. I mean,
They're fine.
they're fine.
Silicone Blood Oranges Foot Cream. Blood orange is a new trend. It is something that different companies are coming out with now.
Oh yeah, I've got the
Yep.
essential oil,
And it
essential
smells-
oil, and I love blood
Smells
orange.
good and orangey. And that was a foot cream, so.
Well, it has a seal on it, so you know it ain't been opened.
I think
That
I
sounds
twisted
or
it.
smells amazing.
Okay, Grayson. Oh wait, and that has a $24 value.
Okay, and it was from the Fabfitfun choice, I think.
Grayson Stella, Say Hi to Hydration. So this is just a hydrator, hydrating,
Hyaluronic
hyaluronic acid hydrating serum. It's a serum, so $25 for that.
That was from the 5th option.
Spongel hand cream. Oh, coconut verbena.
This was a Fabfitfun pick too.
Even with the seal, I can kind of smell it.
Yeah,
So
you can
it's
smell it through the
strong.
seal. It smells so very coconutty.
It does smell good. I
I
love
coconut too.
This big plastic bubble wrap.
Is this the Terramare Aloe and Tea Tree Toner? Reveal your best skin yet as the aloe and tea tree combo soothes skin and slows away dead skin cells.
$54.
Whopping dollars.
So this is, oh, it's heavy. I'm interested to see this.
You could have got that, the ice roller, a Lifestyle Co. Beach Mist, and Isaac Mizari loves XO Sienna vase. Difficult names here. Or a silk satin pillow sleeve.
This is heavy. This is like a
Is it
glass.
glass?
This is a glass jar.
And look at that beautiful packaging.
So hold your hand
I
out.
love it.
Let me sprinkle on your hand.
I've never used toner either before. What's it for?
It helps hydrate your skin. Is there a trick to it?
I don't know. Is there a cap?
No, I took the cap off. Oh, maybe you have to poke it and break the inside seal.
We'll try it later.
Okay, well, we were just gonna check that out.
Just
So,
throw her in
since it's glass, it's heavy, and that's why it's so well wrapped. It says, I'm sorry, I cannot read today. Reveal your most beautiful complexion with the formula of aloe and tea tree toner. So you clean your skin and then you put it on, and it just kind of refreshes it and adds moisture. Okay, here's a biggie.
Ooh, this one's my favorite. This is from the first option. You could have gotten the Draper James straw bag floral scarf. That one. You could have got the tie-dye towel. You could have gotten the charger, the eyelash conditioner, or the triple peptide eye cream. Yeah, that was it. But I
Opening
got
this
this one.
box smells like walking into a spa.
Does it? This is the Pottery Barn Mason Ceramic Diffuser in Solstice.
So relaxing.
Oh my goodness. I like that. I'm so excited. This is the one item like I just couldn't wait for. I really wanted this. Does that have anything else in it? Or is it all down here?
It's all in there.
Okay. We're gonna have to Yeah, it's so faint. It's not strong. It's not crazy strong. Like, I did think this was gonna be a little more gold looking. This is kind of bronzy.
It is kind of bronzy.
And I thought it was gonna be gold. I'm not disappointed though. It's very cute. I also thought it was gonna be like textured looking, but if you look at the picture, it does actually look pretty close. It just has the lighting on it. So, anyways, there's that. Okay. And it comes with a good sized bottle of fragrance. So,
all right.
I'm excited
like
to
a
use
birthday
that.
party,
Right?
where you're opening everything and you got all your gifts surrounding you.
I know.
All right.
This one box is like your birthday. All the gifts you get for your birthday.
Okay, then the last thing is so cute.
I know. This
Oh
was my
gosh.
other excited item that I was